स्वागत है आप सबका फिर से इस चैनल में एंड आज हम लोग लास्ट पार्ट में जाएंगे कंप्यूटर एडेड डिज़ाइन के बारे में और जानेंगे दैट द लास्ट पार्ट दैट व्हाट इज़ कंप्यूटर एडेड डिज़ाइन एप्लीकेशन. So in the previous video we have learned about like CAT and its application and बहुत सारे बातों को हम लोगों ने जाना and then in the previous video just a recap that what we have learned is about like top 5 reason ना that you have to go for CAT service. क्यों आपको CAT service को यूज़ करना है ना. So we have learned about the reason the five top reason. एंड देन उसके बाद फिर हम लोगों ने कॉमनली यूज्ड कंप्यूटर एडेड डिज़ाइन बेस्ड टूल के बारे में भी सीखा एंड द सॉफ्टवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर ड्यूरिंग दीज डेज कौन से सॉफ्टवेयर अभी के ज़माने में या फिर अभी के जनरेशन में यूज़ होता है. एंड वी हैव लर्न दैट द एग्जांपल लाइक AutoCAD एंड देन ArchiCAD, SolidWorks, MicroStation and all. And then in which area it is used, like for building, for landscape garden designing and construction related work. So that was some of the point. And then even about the main software, जो main software होते हैं, right, in detail we learned that is the main software are like this one AutoCAD, 3D Max, Photoshop, right, LandCAD. And then so and even now we will go with the next next topic that we're gonna discuss today. So in the further slide we will learn about the major career options in landscape gardening through computer aided design. Like by using this one this option of a landscape gardening design through computer aided system, like in which area of career it will help you. So we will learn about it. So in this slide you can see some pictures and all, right, that I have pasted. So what I want to show from this picture is that like it can help you in many area of your job. बहुत सारी जगह में job opportunity like help कर सकता है, like when you use this computer aided design. एंड स्पेशली अगर आप फ्लोरिकल्चरस हो या फिर लैंडस्केप डिज़ाइनर हो तब इट विल रियली बी वेरी गुड. लाइक देर आर सम पीपल जो हॉर्टिकल्चर सब्जेक्ट है उसमें यू स्टडी अबाउट वेजिटेबल, राइट, वेजिटेबल के बारे में सीखते हैं, फ्रूट्स के बारे में सीखते हैं, फ्लावर्स के बारे में सीखते हैं. दिस थ्री आर द मेन इन हॉर्टिकल्चर. तो बट फ्रॉम ऑल दीज थ्री फ्लोरिकल्चर एक ऐसा फील है, इट्स लाइक दैट टाइप ऑफ फील दैट यू वोंट गो विदाउट जॉब. लाइक अगर आपने चूज़ किया फ्लोरिकल्चर एंड लैंडस्केपिंग एज योर फील्ड देन यू वोंट गो आउट ऑफ जॉब. Like how, for example, I think you have seen also in some places also कि people what they used to do वो नर्सरी ग्रो करते हैं. नर्सरी ग्रो करने के बाद जब वो मतलब जर्मिनेशन होता है प्लांट्स का, फ्लावर्स का, तो उसको बेचते हैं. they used to sell it. तो वहाँ से भी बहुत लाइक कमाई हो जाता है. लाइक फ्रॉम देयर दे कैन डू बिजनेस. और अगर इफ़ दे हैव लाइक पार्टनरशिप विद कंपनी, अगर उनको पार्टनरशिप मिल जाता है कंपनी के साथ या फिर किसी मतलब हाई इंडस्ट्रीज़ के साथ, राइट, सो दे कैन लाइक रियली इंक्रीज देयर बिजनेस. वो अपने बिजनेस को इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं मोर एंड मोर. So we will learn some of the major जो मतलब major career ये options है. Okay, like when how you gonna use when in landscape gardening, like what are those major career objective or career options. So firstly it's about this one. Actually the people who have graduated with an MLA, they have a wide variety of career option available. Okay, like what, like licensed landscape architect, arborist, okay, the one who design, okay, the one who design that area, a particular area and all, right. So like having that license, so they can do, like they can open a shop or they can open their own company. खुद का कंपनी खोल सकते हैं. they can open and they can go with this job, with this business, okay, flower or import export वाला, right? So they can do this. And second is federal employment, okay, federal employment. And then after that is visual, like visual or scenic landscape, this one analyze. And then transportation planner, right? Transportation planner, like how do you gonna plan, like when you use this landscape gardening through computer aided design, like you can even plan for transportation, like from where to where, how you gonna do the transportation. So you can use it through computer aided design. And land development, and then state park design. And then design this one campground and trail system, like जो like park होता है, like we have already discussed also in the previous slides कि आप कैसे डिज़ाइन कर सकते हो parks को, right? parks को, या फिर not only parks but even जो hospital area है उसका landscape कैसा होना चाहिए, कैसे मतलब वातावरण होना चाहिए, कैसा environment होना चाहिए वहाँ का, right? So all this thing keeping in mind. And then design campground and trail system, and even golf course. I remember when I was doing my graduation, then our teacher told us, there was one teacher, हमारी teacher थी, तो वो बोली हमको कि like design a golf course, जो golf course होता है like जहाँ पर like लोग golf खेलने जाते हैं. So even that field also we have to like design. And then we were designing it, we were making it with like using our own idea, हमारे खुद का idea था, and all, like we used by using papers, and then creating what I'll say, using matchstick and all, मतलब जो भी elements मिल रहा है कि कैसे हम लोग मतलब बना सकते हैं उसको golf course को. So we use all those stuffs, and then हम लोगों ने बनाया. And even this one, work in consultation with civil engineering. So even in the field of civil engineer, okay, like in their field, जो landscape gardening है, okay, through computer aided design. So they can even like जो computer aided design है वो help कर सकता है, like it can help you in this career also as a consultant. Okay, जो consultation देता है, like you can give more ideas to the civil engineers also, right? Or even the architecture firms. And next is a design of resort theme park. Like you can see here the last picture also. Okay, see the first picture, it's just like example, okay, like how you're gonna design a park and all. So यहाँ पर like you can see he's just doing by sketch and all, but the main example is computer aided design कि कैसे like through computer aided design you will design your parks and all, right? And the second picture is golf course. Okay, so how they are designing the golf course. Now third is just it's just example, like you can see here, it's he is a civil engineer, right? So how you will help, like how a landscape designer can be a consultant to the civil engineer. And then lastly is last picture is of a resort, okay, like where people used to go and they like just take rest and have a good time, right, with their families, with their loved ones, right? So उसका भी जो डिज़ाइन है, okay, you can do very beautifully by using computer aided design. And even the theme park, okay, theme park. So even not only this but even the historic preservation, okay, how to preserve the historic things. So you can use a landscape and then you can preserve the historic places, okay, you can preserve the historic material, okay, जो historic material है, या फिर like even when you make a museum and also even the surrounding you create a landscape and all, right? So how should be the landscape of that a museum area, right? So and then this one last point is sustainability coordinator. You can be a coordinator also for sustainability, like how to sustain the field, how to sustain the environment, right? And then how we gonna practice afforestation, like planting of more and more trees, planting of more and more shrubs, and then making more landscape, okay, making our environment very, very more and more natural and beautiful, right? So these are some, in this slide, these are some of the example of the major career option in landscape gardening through GAT. So now we'll come to the next slide. So in the previous slide, we have learned about so many things, like how you can plan for transportation planner, how you can plan of making a park, and then how you can like through this one computer aided design, and how you can make a golf course, and then you can be a consultant also. मतलब different like types of jobs है जो आप कर सकते हो. So you can be a consultant also to a civil engineer, you can be a sustainability coordinator also. और ये मतलब जो computer aided design है, you can even plan for resort also. You can plan a design, okay, for like how your resort will be, आपका resort कैसा होगा, like how you can make a resort, beautiful resort with pools, with hotels and all. So now in this slide we will learn more of the career option in landscape gardening through GAT. So university campus planner also, you can even, like I always give this example, मैं हमेशा ये example देती हूँ, like in school, in university, in hospital, there are different types of landscape, okay, landscape design. So with the help of computer aided design, you can design a beautiful university campus, okay. And then like even you can use the help of landscape architect, कि कौन सा shrub होना चाहिए, कौन सा trees होना चाहिए, उस like pathway में जो pathway बना रहे हो उसके side में जो hedges हैं वो किस height के होना चाहिए, like how. So you can be that consultant, you can be that landscape designer to tell the university people कि जब university बनेगा, then you can give them idea that before you create this, before you create the university, आपका landscape ऐसा होना चाहिए. Before you build a college, before you build a university, so कौन सा plan आपको plan करना है, कौन सा मतलब like which type of tree or which type of flower to make your university more attractive, right? आपकी university को और attractive बनाने के लिए, and even your hospital also to make it look more natural, and मतलब you make it more looking healthy environment. It will look like, because in hospital area it's that type of area where there are so many patients and all, and मतलब they want it more to be क्या बोलते हैं, to get a fresh air, right? Fresh air to breathe, right? So you can use like this plan, computer aided design plantation, like you can plan like how should your hospital be before creating hospital, कि कौन सा मतलब the tree or which type of hedges or border plan you should plan to look your hospital, to make it look more good and more like healthy, okay, so that the people when they come they will feel fresh, they won't feel like so doom, or they will feel like bored or boring, but they will feel like very nice, they will feel fresh, right? And then even it help in the protection of endangered species. तो अगर आप follow करते हो, if you follow all this landscape and the principle of landscaping and using the computer aided design, so you can even help in the protection of the endangered species, like it will be like getting a home for them, okay. जब आप ज़्यादा trees को build करते हो, so it will help them to have a house, क्योंकि उनके लिए nature ही घर है, right, for the species. So it can help for like to protect the endangered species, okay. Like even like there was a time that people were saying कि most of the tigers are getting extinct and all. So this is also one reason that you should do more plantation, you should create more forests, okay, or like even make the environment more green, okay, by using this computer aided design, and then you design a place for them, okay. So you can use this, and even through habitat preservation, okay, and assist with the, you can be an assistant also, assistant with the survey of archaeology site. So you can be like assessing the survey of archaeology sites. So archaeology, like telling, suppose if you are so expert in the landscape and gardening and like in horticulture and all, so you can even help the archaeologists. Suppose if he like, you can know, like suppose the year of a tree, you can see, right, you can see the tree and you can tell them like how many years is this tree and all. So you can help in many areas, you can assist the archaeologists. Okay, so I hope you know who are archaeologists, who study about the old things. Okay, like they study about the I'll say like the fossils, and even like they study about the endangered species. Okay, or even the species, like people used to say that there are, so like even charcoal and coal mine and all, right? So these all comes from the fossil of the old of the decomposed things, right? Decomposed living things, or even trees or even animals. So it can you can assist with the survey of the archaeologists. And next is to promote, see, first is that was university protection and assisting with the survey of archaeologist site. Next is promote forest sustainability. So when you do this, you sustain even the forest area. Okay, you sustain the forest. Okay, you sustain the forest, and then like in domestic and even tropical forests. Okay, you can help this. So by using all this, like you can have this type of career also. And then next is extension landscape architect. Okay, and then you can be an architect in an extension landscape. So extension landscape, like you can give awareness program also. आप awareness program भी दे सकते हो. Okay, like in different village or in different rural area or places, okay, जहाँ पर इन सब की मतलब जानकारी नहीं है. So you can go and give the awareness program and the importance of landscape gardening, importance of the environment, okay, plantation and all. And you can be even this one, you can even go for this storm water manager, and you can go in for virtual media design. Like you can be a virtual media design also, like graphic design, designing virtual landscape for computer games. Okay, so you can even go for this field, because अगर आप CAD सीख लिए हो, so you can use it as to make a graphic design or design virtual landscape for computer game. Okay, because nowadays you see that there are so many games, like suppose देयर इज़ अ गेम और वहाँ पर लैंडस्केप है, और वहाँ पर उस गेम में बोला गया है कि search the cat in the landscape gardening. So you can help in designing that landscape. Okay, like like how you will make the landscape, animation and all, animation के साथ, right? So you can create games also. आप games भी create कर सकते हो by using computer aided design. And even artist or sculpture, right? And gardener or grower of nursery stock, nursery operator, right? So even this picture, the first one is just to show like as a logo of protecting the endangered species, and the second picture is just a man carrying this one, a tray. Okay, a tray where there are nursery plants. So these are some of the major career option in landscape gardening through CAD. Okay, and then so I hope you all understand related to this. So in the next we will learn about the last part of this one, computer aided design application. So till then, if you have any like question or anything, you can just drop a message, or you can just text and tell me like if you have any problem or any like doubt related to this video.